be a great day. It's just not cloudy anymore. For Americans, these streets looks normal. For us, it's like movie. First stop is Rocky Steps. So now we're gonna go to Rocky Steps and Philadelphia Museum of Art and Barnes Foundation. Hold tight. Hold tight. And this one is for Nate. 1, 2, 3. Hold tight. A lot of people are going with medals, and so it's probably there was some sort of running competition. Here's the Rocky Steps. Here's the Rocky statue. And here's the line for a photo. First of all, I think I will run to the Rocky Steps, of course. Let's run. It's more easier than I thought. So this is the prison where they held hospital team members.
That's amazing.
Look at the battlements, the tower.
The towers. And outside this building is a castle.
A fortress. A dungeon.
I didn't have into this house rendered
By mountains.
Come se dar ruim na vida.
Only 3 hours inside of cell. Let's go inside. Maximum security prison. Survivors, an exercise for the prisoners.
Man.
I'm just sitting here whole day. Behind the walls there is a city. What you would do? Somewhere here is the most popular place in Philadelphia, Liberty Bell, one of the most popular places in Philadelphia, but it's boring as shit. So we're gonna go to something called like Magical Garden or something like this. It's 20 minutes walk. So let's go.
It's a very walk.
Very walk. So this is the glass from Magic Land of Narnia. Must be in 3D or something. We want to go to the battleship that is somewhere around there, but look what kind of bridge we have to go through. It's a ferry. This is where people play baseball.
So Tomas gonna shit in his pants soon. We have to hurry up.
Can he make it? Watch on the next episode on Netflix.
So we are going now to see a battleship, which is like 18 minutes from now. Big city life, na 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 na. We needed to come back to Rocky Steps because during the day it was too crowded.